Seriously? Seriously. Okay, wonderful. Just wonderful. Just freaking great. All right, hey, we're back. Congratulations on realizing that the channel exists. Wow, nice. All right, so hey, check it out. Here are some coronagraphs. And welcome to the Daily Space Weather. There's a CME, coronal mass ejection, headed our way. And there you can see it coming out of the Soho-Lascaux C2 late yesterday evening, Universal Time. Here it is on the C3, about 2200 you'll see that start to emerge. And some of that material may strike Earth's magnetosphere. Fingers crossed on that. We'll also show the view from Stereo A. There's Stereo A on the left. Keep in mind it is very close to Earth here at the moment. And so, yeah, there you go. There's Stereo A on the left. And Mercury there showing up on those coronagraphs as well. So this is the CME that we're expecting to hit Earth. Looks a little different from Stereo A there. There is one fairly dense core there. Unfortunately, there's about 6 hours of missing data. Let's take a look at our custom coronagraphs. Here are the past 24 hours. That's SDO 193 angstroms, Soho-Lascaux C2 and C3. Also a comet showing up there. Check it out right down here. A little comet there showing up. And perhaps taking a non-survivable trajectory. Here's a little closer view. Again, that CME came from this area right here, just behind that very large sunspot. Right there, you can see it eject. And here we'll zoom into the full disk view to show 193 angstroms. Next, talking about filaments. And the Getty Lee filament remains intact. And just a minute here, folks. Come on, Twitch. I cannot see the stream. All right, we're good. So there are filaments, some huge ones here rising over the southeastern limb. So some very large filaments there. This one here is ejecting. Whoops, there it goes. Part of it still is intact. The Getty Lee filament is still intact over here. And some filaments in the southwest also. And let's take a look at our filament wavelength. So the last full disk view we showed here was 193 angstroms. And to add additional contrast here for those filaments, let's add ionized helium. There you go. There's 304 plus 193 angstroms. Plenty of filaments, likelihood of coronal mass ejections just this side of 100%. Likelihood of large solar flares just this side of 100%. It's an exciting time for space weather. And if you thought the sun was shutting down, well, the channel's not shutting down and neither is the sun. Everything is just fine. By the way, if you want to name filaments after living people, join us over on Twitter. Hashtag #NameThatFilament is the hashtag to use. Just tweet at SmashOmash hashtag name that filament, and we will officially name the filament after living humans. Yeah. Here are the past couple of hours from the GOES 18 SUVI.